Lagos. Hello Nigeria. Hello Africa and hello world. Today is day 3 of the Web3 Lagos Conference 3.0. We're excited, we're buzzing, and we can't wait to share this experience with you. So, see you there.
Today I gave a talk on deep links for Africa, how we can use that to solve different challenges in the African continent. And it's quite interesting because the audience resonates with the entire presentation and then questions around how this directly impacts them, which leads us to talking about the use cases for Africa, how we can use it to solve electricity problem, how we can use it to solve transportation problems, how we can use it to solve a lot more things within the entire ecosystem. And my view about the Web3 Lagos Conference, this is really amazing. I think it's been on for the entire week, starting with the hackathon for 3 days and then the conference for 3 days.
I gave a talk on empowering communities with social money, and I was so impressed to see everyone in the crowd. It was a very big crowd. And when the host asked questions about my presentation, people really understood what Circles was, how it works, how it can benefit communities. So I'm very happy that I came and was able to deliver this talk.
For me, I am here for the newbies because I want people to go back home with something. And I want them to remember that there's a certain speaker called Femi, and he came here to educate us as a newbie or as a new person still trying to figure out how to get leveled in this space. So I really feel that this is an opportunity that has been massive so far for a lot of newbies.
I was really excited to see the response of the crowd. It was really like a full house auditorium. The engagement was great as well. So I think that was a really important part and really special of the conference, because there is also no side events. There is people concentrated in one place. People can really listen to you, really engage with you. So I really like this about the Web3 Lagos Conference. Then you have the space here outside to also interact with other people, network. And something that I really like in general about Africa, so far that I was in Ghana and Nigeria, is the eagerness to learn of all the developers, the quality of developers as well. They are really interested in asking you questions, trying to dip more into the product as well, into how they can become better developers, better people. So that's something that I really appreciate, that I really feel identify as well.
It's been an amazing 3 days of fun-filled activities, conference, it's been amazing. So the crowd was amazing. Everybody really loved the session. And yeah, looking forward to, seeing a lot of people go ahead to build in public, do amazing stuff.
Amazing opportunity to connect with other contributors too. The speakers and the warm reception. Honestly, I felt so excited.
In the spirit of making Ethereum decentralized, and we want to see Africa become Africans be part of that spirit. So I had to come here, talk about running an Ethereum node. I actually came with an Ethereum node, the machine. So the whole crowd, the participants were super excited. They were all ears open, trying to listen to what I'm saying.
This is my first experience with Web3 Bridge, and to be honest, it has been amazing so far. Yeah, I had a great time. I was also at the Hacker House.
The previous ones, up to this ones, it has been something of great value. This is an event, or rather a conference that value is being shared, and it's a value-driven event. It is an awesome event and it's a great one.
I'm so happy about this event because I've been in the marketing space for over 7 years now, and I've seen the way the Web3 space is taking over the world. Web3 Lagos 2025, I cannot wait.
I'm from Togo. For the event, the conference is very good. I have learned a lot of and collaborate to other projects, other community manager or developer.
I'm live at the Web3 Bridge Conference Lagos, and so far it's been amazing. And my expectations are just mainly to connect. I'm here to connect, to meet new people, to interact and have fun.
I love the reception from the audience. It was a very, very nice feedback loop, and got lots of connections as well after my talk. People, saying they benefited from it, and it's been a beautiful event so far. Networking with people, meeting friends we know online in real life. So it's been pretty much amazing.
I've heard a lot of feedbacks that are like good from people who like very new to the entire ecosystem thing. And I think so far, seeing people around is not bad. Like having this much people around, it's plenty.
Before and after expectations, how has it been so far?
Personally, I only have expectation for 20 persons to come and learn. And I'm sure now we are more than 20. So for me, it's actually it's a win.
So far, it has been intriguing. I came from the very first day. That was on Thursday. Yeah, I really learned a lot, and yeah, I'm so happy to be here. And
Web3 Lagos is pretty good. I was here last year, though I didn't compete in the hackathon. But this year I was at the Hacker House Lagos in Ikorodu, and I competed for 3 days.
I came from Gombe State to Lagos to experience Web3 Lagos Conference. And actually, Web3 Lagos Conference has opened our eyes wide. We have made connections and looking forward to Web3 Lagos Conference 2025.